How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Think about that question, right? Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And today we're going to discuss how bad do you want it, right? So real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, make sure you subscribe. I drop golden nuggets every day. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. So today's day 3 into my uh documenting like my day before my deployment and stuff. So, today I was talking to a fellow soldier, and we were just bugging out or whatnot, and he said to me, what do you do outside of here? I said to him, I thought you knew. I said, I'm an online marketer. He was like, what's that? I said, I make money online. He was like, wait, what? I said, yeah, I make money online. He said, is that even possible? I said, yeah, I'm doing it. He's like, how hard is it? I said, it's not hard at all. It's not hard. Wash, rinse, repeat. He's like, huh? I'm like, just rinse and repeat. All right, let's just put it that way. Just rinse and repeat. And we were talking, and the conversation went on, and he said to me, I don't think I can do it. I said, yes, you can. I said, if I can do it, anybody can do it, right? And we're there talking, etc. Go on and on and on and on. And I said, your success, because he asked a question about being successful. I said, your success is determined solely on how bad do you want it. He said, what do you mean? I said, do you have kids? He said, yeah. I said, how many? He said, 1. I said, okay. If your daughter is in danger, right? He did made it clear that he has a daughter. I said, if your daughter is in danger, right? Danger. And, for whatever reason, you can't make it. He said, stop right there. He said, I will make it. I said, what you mean? You can't make it? He said, no, I will make it. I will find that way to make it. I said, that's it right there. That's it right there. How bad do you want it? That is how success comes about in online marketing. Because you're your own boss. You make your own schedule. So your success, or the lacking thereof, is how bad do you want it? Just as though the danger of your child, even if you can't make it, you're going to find a way to make it and go get your kid. I mean, listen, I'm not equating your child's safety or life to online marketing. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm just making a reference to the determination of a father's love towards his kid, right? Or the determination, if it were a lady that I was talking to, the determination of a mother's love for her kid, right? So say you put half, just half of that energy into your online business. Do you know how much you could accomplish? Can you imagine how much you could accomplish with just half of that mindset, that power. That even with the knowledge of you knowing beforehand or whatever that you can't make it for whatever reason, you're going to stop me in my track and say, I'm going to make it. It doesn't matter. I'm going to make it. Guys, put that same energy or just half in your online business. Learn new shit. Just like you're on YouTube right here. YouTube videos, learn new shit. When I started out in the online marketing world, I did a whole bunch of YouTube videos, as in watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos. And part of the decision to doing YouTube videos was from me saying that I did this when I just started out. I went on YouTube. I watch a whole bunch of motivational videos. I watch a whole bunch of how-to videos, like just a wide range. Mark you, I read a lot too. I went to masterminds and so on and so forth. I'm an affiliate with a company, and my company do a lot. But I went beyond that. Because really, I just don't want to learn something. I want to master it. You see what I'm saying? I just don't want to learn. I want to master it. Don't give me a fish. Teach me how to fish. And that's what I want to say to you guys today. If you're interested in online marketing and you're on this video, hit the link below. It's in the description. It will be my #1 recommendation for online marketing, for digital marketing. That's my company. And they are great. Hit that link. But I'll tell you this. Do you want to just be the average marketer? Or do you want to bank? As in mastering everything. One by one by one. You have to go the extra mile. You have to do more. Do not depend solely on, on your company to do everything. Just like you end up on this video right here. Watch videos. Read books. Practice every day. I didn't do anything much today, guys. So I just felt like I had to tell you guys that story, the conversation that I had, it really, it hit hard because I decided earlier too, I made a decision that I put the post on Facebook. I said, when you make that decision, but all you're worried about is if Facebook gonna remind you a year later. I made a huge decision earlier. Really major. And I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna pull it off. But I believe I will. And all I'm worried about is being reminded a year later. Because I'm going to look back and say, wow. So that's all for today, guys. Stay strong. Stay motivated. And if you're interested in online marketing, digital marketing, I suggest you hit my link below. Add me on Facebook. Follow me. Let's chit chat over there. My Instagram link is also there. You can hop on there and see what I'm doing on Instagram. I do a few things, but I'm telling you, I never moved on to the other one before I got the first. I just keep growing, keep learning. Thanks for watching, guys. Khamoya Gordon here again from KhamoyaGordon.com. Leave a comment if you'd like me to talk about something. Let's see what I can do. Just leave a comment. Put a thumbs up if this video has helped you in any way. If you got some nuggets from this video, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friend if they needed this advice that I shoot out today. Until tomorrow. Bye.